Hey, welcome back. Today we are working on a Toyota Sienna 2004 model. This time we have license plate lights that are burned out, and the way you access them is from the inside. So I will start with this handle here and remove this handle. So let's see if we can't pop this cover off first. It looks like there's a retainer in there, and you slide it forward like that. Just slide it forward. And looks like we've got a Phillips head, or you could use a 10mm socket. All right, let me get my ratchet. Get your ratchet, 10mm. There we go. Finish it up with my screwdriver. Alright, I'll put this off to the side. Next, get yourself a putty knife, panel removal tool, something soft. Get this top, get your fingers underneath there. And just pull this off to the side. Looks like the side ones come off too. Make sure that I don't break it. There we go. And do the same to the other side. Start from the top here. Or actually it's an actuator arm here that's in the way. Looks like I have to take this little actuator arm off. You might not have to, but I'm going to. Looks like there's a little clip right here. And just kind of pry it up. Trying to do this one-handed here. And we'll get that clip off of there. Finish sliding this clip up off of there, and then it just kind of pivots down. Let's see if I can't get that cover off now. There we go. So from watching the other videos, you have to be careful with this one. So I think you don't need to take this off, but you start by prying down at the window area at the top. Get all this unlatched up here. Areas. Okay. And so I think once you get this unlatch up here too. There we go. Okay, and then you pull it forward. So it looks like there's two L-shaped latches right here that you don't want to break. There we go. Yeah, it's these. Okay. All right, let's take a peek up here. So here's the center, and just off to the left and just off to the right. All right. So you want to turn these counterclockwise, and then they pull out, and then you have access to your bulb. All right, so the replacement bulbs I purchased were the LED style, because that is all that the store had. In a crunch to get these sooner than later, so we will be using the LED ones today. So with the socket pulled out, these bulbs, they just pull straight out. I failed the state inspection because these silly things were burned out and I didn't realize it. So with the LED ones, hopefully I won't ever have to worry about this again on this vehicle. So we will just plug the LED ones in there. Same with the socket on this side. Alright. Alright, we'll go ahead and put those back in there. Remember, counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to reinsert. You just be careful of this. It's really sharp. Alright, there we go. Alright, so before I get too far, I'm going to turn the lights on. And I want to make sure that they're working. One's working, the other one's not. So very interesting. These LED lights, be careful. They're polarity sensitive. Wow. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. So hopefully you can see that the light is on right now. When I flip it the other direction, the light is off. So if you're using the LED light bulbs, make sure you have them, the car turned on. And if it works one way, or if it doesn't work one way, flip it around, it'll work the other way. So, learn something new every day, huh? All right, now we have them both working. Ah, that's good. Now I can put the covers on. All right, finally, let's get this actuator arm on there. Oopsie. Stop! Preferably do this when the car's turned off, otherwise you pinch your finger. Let me let it do what it's got to do here for a second. Alright, let me turn the car off. Alright. And put this clip back down. There we go. It probably doesn't matter if the car's on or off. I think the actuator would have went up and down anyways. But let me look at this package, because that is weird that the polarity was sensitive. Warning, there's a advise. Oh, well, they have like a security tab in here that's covering up half the wording, but it's saying warning, something, 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 proper orientation, if no light, comma, blank bulb, rotate and reinstall. Yeah, so make sure you read the instructions on your light bulb package. It's stupid. Anyways, I hope this video helps somebody out there. If it does, go ahead and click that like button. And if you like watching my Sienna videos and my my other videos that I post, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.